learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林集少 Joseph Lin, and along with Alice, we are teaching you this conversation about borrowing things from people. And so let's say, 可以借我吗? Can I borrow this?
做得将爱么？
做得将爱么? That means, can I borrow this? And yes.
做得。
做得 or no.
做唔得。
做唔得. Okay, very simple. Hopefully, you will be helping your friends out here, even if they want to borrow your car. 所以今天我们要教大家，可以跟你借车吗? Can I borrow your car?
做得老
做得老
加茶的么？
加茶么？茶这个好像很久以前有教过，就是车子嘛。
对。
茶that means your car.
那海陆腔茶
对，茶我还记得是这样子，不一样的这个腔调，就是海陆腔。
对
，a different dialect for car. Okay, fine. 我今天很大方的要回答，可以啊，但你要去哪儿？
做得啊。
做得啊 ，that means sure.
爱去哪呀
Gotta ask that. 爱去哪呀 That means where are you going? 万一朋友说我要从台北开到垦丁，我可能会说 sorry 。
对，
其实最常见到的，我朋友也跟我借过很多次，就是要搬家。Because I'm moving, I need an extra car. OK， 我需要搬家。
爱搬屋。
爱搬屋，搬屋就是搬东西、搬家那样子嘛。搬屋 that means moving, so I need to move and I need that car. 我有的时候，坦白讲，这种状况我会觉得说，你们就自己坐计程车就好啦。我要送女朋友回家。I need to take my girlfriend home.
爱送。
爱送。朋友就是女朋友。
转福卡。
转福卡就是带回家。
什么带回家？
送回家。对不起，漏嘴了。That means I need to take my girlfriend home, all right? 或者是男朋友也可以啦，如果是女生开车。And finally, maybe I just want to go out and buy some late night snacks. 要出去买个宵夜了，可能是室友会借一下嘛，要去买宵夜。
爱去买小鸭。
爱去买小鸭。小鸭 is late night snack, 宵夜。All right, let's review some of these vocab. All right, 搬家。
搬屋。
that means moving. 宵夜。
小鸭。
Late night snack. 小鸭。And it's all about, can I borrow something from you? 可以借我吗？
做得将爱么？
做得将爱么 And yes, 做得 No, 做唔得 That's today's Practical Hakka.
什么太感？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.